Hello guys, today we're going to show you how to plot ForexData on PyQT5 GUI. In the background I will be using Matplotlib canvas, so that canvas will be embedded to PyQT5 GUI. First I will demonstrate this application. Let me run this application first. Okay, I was running the application before. Let's do stop and run. It takes a while to run it. We just initialize everything. Here we go. So we have the date. This is how it looks like. We have two push buttons. This push button reads data in your local folder. You have to define the file name, what you want to read. The plot data is then plots data in this canvas. At the moment it has random numbers. Don't worry about it. I just want to initialize with some random numbers to plot. Let's run this function. So read ForexData. Now it reads the file, and plot data, you can see the data has been plotted. I was trying to find this kind of push button action. I couldn't find one, so I want to make a video out of it basically. Okay, I will explain this program in detail now. Prepared a PowerPoint presentation. Basically, you can see how the GUI looks like. You have PyQT5 main window and two push buttons, and how this how the final window looks like. You can add many push buttons you want, and you can perform different functions. First, push button, as I said before, it reads the file and it combines them into pandas data frame. And the second push button is plots the data using Matplotlib on PyQT5 canvas. For the data, I took it from the his data. You can take any data if you want. It's up to you. I chose XLS file. It can be CSV file. It can be anything. So these are the functions to import. This is the main window application. This defines the main window GUI property. You can see the window size, geometry, and palette. It is straightforward. You define the parameters here. And this defines the canvas size, width, and height. You can change if you want. And the position of the canvas in the GUI. And this is the first push button and the placement where it is, and this is second push button and the placement where it is. And that's pretty much easy. So you connect each push button to a function. I have a push button action and button action 2, and for the canvas plot you connect it with canvas.plot. So this will call this function. Okay, let's go to the button action, how it works. So we have I have two XLS files. One is Euro USD pair and Euro GBP pair. I'll combine them into the path, then use this to pass through this pandas data frame read Excel function and get the pandas data frame. So we call this function with get data file, and you get the result data frame as df. And to plot it, so you call self.df to plot this one. Just to avoid pressing plot data before reading the data, I put this if function so that you always read the data first before plotting it. So this is just a standard plot function. We create a canvas, we update the canvas using this function. This is standard, you don't have to modify it. You just modify if you want to change the property of the plot. If you want to add date, a different date, if you can do, or if you want to add something different, you can do as well. You can perform everything here. And this is the important bit. You need to run the whole function. So this will call PyQT and it will run, it will show the window and it will execute this function. I hope it is useful for someone, and thanks for watching.